Do you ever have pain in your knees, hips, hands, or other joints, and you don't know why? This can be a sign of arthritis, which can happen in many ways. There are more than 100 different types of arthritis. Arthritis is when one or more joints become swollen. You may see other signs of arthritis, like redness and swelling around the joints, together with the pain. It might also be hard to move the body parts that are hurt, and they may be stiff. A doctor can give you medicine to treat arthritis, and you can find some over-the-counter medications to help with pain. But lots of people feel a bit better from keeping moving and by using some of these simple, natural cures. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is full of minerals like calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. For this reason it is great for lessening pain in the joints. It also keeps toxins from building up in the joints and connective tissues. Ginger. Because ginger brings down swelling, it's a good idea for treating arthritis. Massage. A great way to get rid of the pain and swelling from arthritis is by massaging the area with mustard oil. This oil works as a natural cream and helps with blood flow. Turmeric. If you take turmeric all the time, it can help bring down swelling. This is because it has curcumin, which stops swelling. It is very good for treating rheumatoid arthritis. Epsom salt. Epsom salt, which is full of magnesium, helps even out the acid levels in the body. This is important because some inflammatory diseases like arthritis are caused by too much acid in the body. Cinnamon. Because cinnamon helps bring down swelling and has antioxidants, it is great for easing the pain from arthritis. You can also make cinnamon and honey into a paste and massage it gently on the painful area. Fish oil. Fish oil has omega-3 fatty acids that help stop swelling in the body and ease pain. Alfalfa. Alfalfa can also help people with arthritis, because it is full of minerals and helps even out acid levels in the body. Cherries. Because cherries have a lot of magnesium and potassium, they are very good for people with arthritis. Magnesium naturally soothes pain, and potassium brings down swelling. Borage. Borage seed oil can lessen swelling and ease some signs of arthritis. Any of these cures can help people who suffer from arthritis. But they should also make sure to keep moving all the time to keep them in good health.